On April the 24th, 1994, I was a police officer in the take-home program, bringing a car home. And the reason for that was that we were participating in high-visibility police presence. And I heard a loud knock at the front door, found out it was my neighbor's daughter, and I immediately left my house running behind her to her house. And when I got to their home, we went in and I saw Mr. Haas on the floor. And I checked his vital signs, wasn't able to get into the vital signs, so I began to perform CPR. Well, about 2 minutes later, my next door neighbor came over and began to assist me. The ambulance arrived and took Mr. Haas to the hospital. I noticed that I became nauseated as I was standing and talking to people. My wife and I came home and I took some Maalox, and I thought it was indigestion would cure the problem, but it did not. So I found myself laid in cardiac arrest, and my wife had to call the ambulance for me. From what I was told, they lost me 2 or 3 times in the ambulance on the ride to the hospital. And when I woke up, it was about a week or 2 weeks later. I was there for about 5 weeks, and then they released me. I came home, and in September of '94, I had to go back. I had a quadruple bypass. I found out that the city administrators had not signed me up to receive workman comp for my injury on the job. I felt like having the police car home and responding to the call for help gave me the authority to act on behalf of the city, but the city refused to pay for my injuries. So I decided, after talking to a friend, to consult the Davis & Davis law firm. And I went in, and Mr. Davis had a consultation with me, and he took the case. After speaking to Mr. Davis, I felt much better about my situation. The way he talked and explained to me the laws and what he could do, how he would handle a case, gave me confidence that he was very professional and he knew how to handle a case. I would highly recommend Davis & Davis to anyone who needs some legal advice. I'll tell you why. They're honest, professional people that you can trust.